So on the 22nd of July I was at the Walkmill Glen Viaduct as the 1C37424 on route learning through there, and my first catch over would be under OZ20, the delayed 1736 and up at 1745 direct rail service to Motherwell TMD from Motherwell TMD via Neilston with 37424. And then we go back later that night, now on the other side of the viaduct, where we go to see 2N13, the 1958 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Neilston with 32411. And then this was 2N10, the 2004 ScotRail service to Neilston from Glasgow Central with 318270 and 318253. And then this was the return of the 37, now under OZ21, the 2011 direct rail service to Motherwell TMD from Motherwell TMD via Neilston with 37424 yet again. And then this was now the return of the 2318s, now under 2 November 15, 2028 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Neilston with the return of 318253 and 270. And then my final catch that evening would be OZ21 yet again, now the 2033 back to Motherwell.